So you envision in-process control to help not only with like stopping a batch that would go wrong before you do all the testing and you actually spend all the medium, but also to help with release, with less delay in releasing the batches?
Yeah, less delay and less burden. And also, the key again is understanding your manufacturing process. It's two things you're maxing. One is if a batch simply isn't going to proceed, being able to make that decision earlier.
Yeah.
But also understanding some of the finer details around the batch production. So if you add a certain amount, say, of cytokine at a certain point, how does that impact the cell growth? And to be able to get inline analytics and then know, okay, now we need to add X amount of cytokine or Y amount of media or do media exchange because this is what happens in batches at this point. That's really quite a powerful tool and give you a greater chance of batch success.